Good morning. Today we're going to work on a hose reel for the car wash since the other one is thrashed. It's a little broken. These aren't the best hose reels that I've seen. So anyway, I'm going to get started by taking this one out of the box. Let's see what we got. Instructions. Those will come in handy. Cool. Oh, it's actually fairly simple. If I can get these little rubber feet in without smashing it. Alright. Nice. This can be mounted to the wall, but I don't have the time to do that, so I'm just going to mount it to the floor. Just have it sit on the floor. Alright. I was going to unhook it from here and put the new hose on it, but this thing is so corroded it won't even come off, so I just unhooked it from over on this side. Over here. And I'll just hook it up from there. Alright, check it out, see if it works. Pressure test is good. And we got some water. I'm going to take this thing off. I hope you found that video as exciting as I did. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Alright.